Hey guys, welcome back to CNC Outdoor Power Equipment. Today we got something really exciting to show you. This is the eNVy neighborhood vehicle. We're going to start carrying this. This is an awesome machine. We're going to dive into it today, show you guys all the cool things about it. So stick with me. So what is it? Is it a UTV? Is it a golf cart? Well, in our minds, we consider it a crossover. You have the functionality of a UTV and a golf cart, and that's what makes this unit so great. So it is electric. There is no gasoline, no diesel, it is electric. But on that side, you also have independent suspension. So you're getting more of a comfortable ride like a UTV, but still having the power of, say, a golf cart. Alrighty, let's go through some main components of this unit. So it is electric, like I talked about, it is battery, it's 48 volt. They're interstate batteries that come with it. Very, very nice. On board charging kit, so you just plug into it and it charges. So no bulky chargers, none of that anymore. Next, independent suspension. Yes, you have dual A arms and they really give you a really comfortable, more leisure ride compared to some of your standard golf carts with, say, leaf springs and all that. So whether you're riding on grass, whether you're riding on pavement, you have that ability. Next up, you do have the rear-facing seats on the back. Those seats are really comfortable. They're just as premium as the seats on the front, and those actually fold down to a flatbed. So you have the ability, say you're going around the farm. You don't need to take a whole bunch, but you need to take a chainsaw or a gas can. You can strap those down on that back. It's got a really firm padding on there, so you can put anything on there and you're not gonna damage it. And that leads me into my next thing, kids. Can kids drive it? It has a feature where you can set two driver settings. You can set your main and a secondary. On that secondary, you do have the ability to adjust the speed, the acceleration, and the deceleration. So if you only want them going slow, you know, it decelerates really fast, you can do that. So you can have your 13-year-old, 15-year-old driving this, and you're not worried they're gonna hit something going 21 miles an hour, which is the top speed of this unit. The days of losing your keys are over. Yes, you have keyless ignition. So you have a touch screen in there, 7-inch intuitive display, and in there you'll set your password, and that's how you start up the unit. Very user-friendly. That way you don't give it to anybody else. They can't take this thing. It's perfect. Another thing, under the seat, you can switch it to tow mode. Say this thing dies on you, and you need to pull it somewhere, but you know, you can't move it because it's not neutral. You flip it over to tow mode and it goes really easy. So they really have thought of the user in mind when they made this machine. Super user-friendly, super easy to understand, lots of technology, but again, at the same point, it's not confusing. It's easy. So to bring it home with you guys, you're probably wondering, what comes standard? So when you buy from us, the bumper comes standard, the windshield comes standard, the rear view mirror comes standard, and the roof comes standard. So that probably leads you, what's the price? We have these at $14,000, which is very competitive for the golf cart market and the UTV market. It's great. Lastly, warranty. You do get a 2-year limited warranty on this machine. Any issues, you bring it back to us, or service, sales, warranty, all that, we will take care of you.